Welcome learners, I am thrilled to introduce myself as the instructor of this course titled International Trade Negotiations. I am Dr. Vijesh Jain. I have more than 35 years of impactful experience in industry, academics and research, and I am excited to share my practical knowledge and rich insights with you in this topic of international trade negotiations. Throughout my career, I have had the privilege of being involved in significant business and trade negotiations, handling big international trade deals. These experiences have not only sharpened my skills but also provided me with invaluable insights into the complexities of international trade dynamics. It is this blend of practical experience, academic knowledge and cross-cultural insights that forms the foundation of this incredible course, International Trade Negotiations. Drawing upon my own journey, I have designed this course to provide you with comprehensive guidance and practical techniques that will empower you to excel in international trade negotiations. Throughout this course, I will leverage real-world examples and case studies to illustrate key concepts, ensuring that you can directly apply your learnings to diverse negotiation scenarios. Furthermore, I have incorporated rich inputs from industry professionals, providing you with a holistic and up-to-date understanding of the subject matter. Whether you are a business professional seeking to enhance your negotiation skills or an aspiring international trade practitioner, this course will equip you with the tools and strategies necessary to navigate the complexities of international trade negotiations successfully. Let's dive in and start mastering the art of international trade negotiations.